turn an email into a conference call, and a conference call into a conference room with one click. Meet your new business partner. You don't need to get a phone. You need a phone that gets you.
Your hands can do so many, many things. Your hands can crush your feet or comb your hair, throw a ball into the air, wave and hold, wave to five, even make a pizza pie.
Sometimes your hands could use a hand. With touch-to-go technology, you can turn the faucet on and off.
You guys realize it's been just less than an hour? Yeah, but it's not worth it.
Planting pumpkin seeds is really hard. It really sucks having to go from hole to hole and bend down and put a seed in the ground.
Oh, worthless this job is.
It's actually like the worst paying job for how much hard work you do.
I think all those kids have had enough pumpkin seeds for one day. We're all ready to call it quits.
Yeah, I can get paid 4 times. We're probably getting paid like $4 to $5 an hour.
Dude, we go to McDonald's over tomorrow.
Oh, snap.
Things are watching me shake it up.
How long are you guys going to be in here? If you don't want to work, that's fine, but Zachary, you need to be out there in 5 minutes.
No, don't put out there in 5 minutes.
What?
Nothing.
When it came to them doing the pumpkin.
¿Qué? ¿Quesito? ¿Quesito, Luisa?
Dale una nena.
This is going to be awesome.
Yeah.
The one thing I want to say up front, we're going to take a Blue Boy helicopter ride.
That'll be fun.
It's a spa, right? You want to do a spa?
Well, as long as we get to go snorkeling.
Okay. One night we're going to ditch you guys in the
Okay.
hotel so Mom and Dad can pack.
Okay.
Yeah, won't that be sweet?
That'll be great. El camino por atrás.
You know, over the last couple of years.
We have rented it before,
I don't think we did that because that was too much for me, right?
so we can't do anything because it's too much for you.
Okay, that's good.
Está bailando ballet.
Échate para atrás.
Está bailando ballet.
Está lejos.
Toma comí, pero come mía. Vente. Venga.
Yeah, what's happening?
¿O tú?
Yeah, that's awesome, yeah. Well, tomorrow's a big day. The whole family heading out to Hawaii. But as usual, I got a bunch of business calls I got to deal with before we leave. It's a great foundation. We ought to be throwing some bells and ripples on it so we can be capturing these deals.
Pero ¿hacia dónde?
No sé, que camine.
Daddy, food's here.
There's way too much food here.
Well, I don't know.
You catch me on the fly, I don't have time to catch me on the fly, and I get too irritated to even concentrate. Shopping tonight, we got a shoot mall, and we got a shoot makers up, and we lay them out in there. We want to get all packed up tonight. Oh, shopping. I'm going to do the shopping tonight. Do you want to give me your list tonight? I'll pick up for you.
¿Ah?
Mira, que no combinamos.
Pick up my personal stuff.
Vente.
When we're trying to do a lot, 6 days worth of stuff in one day, how about that?
Ay, ya cuando lo basta.